Okay, so this is a walkthrough of the assignment 3.1 of the algorithms and functions. So the first one is about asking the time, and I created a Python file named as current time under the modules, and I import. So this is just a note of basically the same Python word from there. And what I did is to import the time from current time, and so if you can see here, I import those into the running, and once I click run, it will show the current time. And if I put the current time wrong here, since it's not it is exported, the name doesn't equals man, so the time doesn't print out here. The next one is the formatting and the customer names. So I created the same similar name as formatting customer name Python word under this folder. And what I did is to create the argument of the location. So if the location exists, it will print out the location. If it doesn't, it will just return the full name. So this is a couple examples of with the first name, last name, and the location, it will have the location. If it doesn't, it will only print out the name. So the next one is Fibonacci function with iteration. So what I did is to eliminate some of the zeros and ones using if-else function here. Again, the same. All those files are saved. Python files are saved under MLP03 folder as Fibonacci iteration and Fibonacci recursion. So here's this one is using the iteration as C equals A plus B, and A equals B, which is to use that location, and B equals C, and finally print out the B. So here's the test of from Fibonacci import Fibonacci iterative, and if I put 10, it will have the result of 55. It has 5. It will the location of 5 will have the result of 5. And here is using the recursion function to code the Fibonacci function. So the same, I assign the zeros and ones here, and put the argument of if the input of 0 and less than 0, it will have print incorrect input here. And this is the function to be executed as return Fibonacci recursion n-1 plus the value of m location of n+-2. So here's a couple running results of Fibonacci location 10. -10 is incorrect input, 0 is 0, 11 is 89.